Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Mould King Star Wars is probably one of the most captivating and intricate building block experiences available for fans who crave massive, detailed replicas of iconic starships and scenes from a galaxy far, far away, offering an impressive alternative to official sets with often hundreds or even thousands more pieces for an unparalleled display piece that truly stands out in any collection. Number 5. LEGO Star Wars Venator-Class Republic Attack Cruiser 75367. Immerse yourself in epic Clone Wars battles with this incredible set. This Ultimate Collector Series model brings the iconic Venator-Class Republic Attack Cruiser to life. It includes two exclusive LEGO minifigures, Captain Rex and Admiral Yularen. These beloved characters add an extra layer of authenticity to your display. Every detail is meticulously recreated, from the command bridge to the hangar bay. You'll even find a buildable Republic gunship nestled inside. Designed for showcasing, it features a built-in display stand and an information plaque. It also includes a special 20th anniversary brick and space for your minifigures. This 5,374-piece set is the perfect gift for any adult Star Wars fan or advanced LEGO collector. It offers hours of engaging building. Beyond its impressive display, this building activity provides a fantastic way to unwind. It's a rewarding and stress-relieving experience for any enthusiast. What we like. This is a monumental build for serious collectors, offering an intricate and rewarding experience. Its detailed design and exclusive minifigure make it a true centerpiece. If you are a dedicated Star Wars enthusiast looking for a challenging and impressive display model, this set is perfect for showcasing your passion. What people say. Number 4. Mould King 10138 Darksaber Lightsaber Building Toy. Construct an iconic Darksaber from your favorite Star movies with this 885-plus piece set. It offers minimal assembly for a multifunctional model, perfect for display or play. This lightsaber is rechargeable via a Type-C cable and features an easy on-off switch. Press the hilt button to activate its glowing effect, perfect for exciting duels or luminous showdowns in the dark. With a step-by-step instruction book, this kit is ideal for fun activities. It boosts hand-eye coordination, problem-solving, and inspires creativity, making STEM learning engaging for all ages. It features a display stand with a plaque, crafted with meticulous attention to detail. This epic piece adds a geeky flair to any home or office decor, perfect for enthusiasts. Packaged in colorful cardboard, it makes an ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, or New Year's. Every product undergoes strict inspection to ensure quality and satisfaction. What we like. This unique build offers an interactive experience with its glowing, dueling feature. It's not just a model, but also a fun STEM project that enhances skills. If you are looking for an engaging build that you can actively play with or use for cosplay, this is an excellent choice. What people say. No reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract any points as the source JSON is empty. Number 3. 4D Build Star Wars Millennium Falcon 3D Model Kit. Embark on an epic building adventure with this film-accurate Star Wars room decor piece. It boasts movie-quality intricate detail, making it a true replica for any fan. You'll find 10 sheets with 223 durable punch-out pieces and clear instructions. No tools are required, making this a satisfying craft challenge for everyone. This authentic edition is ideal for room, office, or bedroom decor. Once completed, it measures an impressive 16.9 by 12.4 by 8.8 inches, ready to showcase your fandom. This model is part of the larger 4D Build Star Wars collection. You can shop the whole range to build your own epic puzzle collection, including other iconic ships and characters. Looking for the perfect gift? These 3D puzzles are great for adults and teens alike. They're an excellent choice for any fan of Star Wars and many other beloved franchises. What we like. This model provides a surprisingly detailed replica with a straightforward build process. It's designed for quick assembly and immediate display, perfect for adding flair to any space. If you want a striking piece of Star Wars decor without a lengthy building commitment, this kit is ideal for your desk or shelf. What people say. Number 2. Mould King Dark Sword Rechargeable LED Lightsaber. This building set features over 885 meticulously designed parts. Each assembly offers a fun challenge, testing your intelligence, patience, and creativity. Unlike ordinary block sets, this model comes alive with a special luminous function. Just press the switch, and its LED lights will instantly illuminate, revealing its unique charm in any environment. Detailed, easy-to-understand instructions guide you through every step. You'll enjoy finding each part and marveling at its smooth lines and realistic reproduction. This isn't just a toy, it's an educational tool. Building it enhances hand-eye coordination, spatial imagination, and problem-solving skills, while also promoting valuable family interaction. A multifunctional stand is included, perfect for showcasing your completed model. It securely holds it, enhancing the overall aesthetic and ensuring stability for a proud display. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, this building kit undergoes strict quality testing. Each block meets safety standards, ensuring a confident and enjoyable building experience. What we like. Standing impressively tall with a rechargeable LED, this offers a grander scale and sustained glow. The building process is both creative and educational, fostering problem-solving skills. If you desire a substantial, luminous display piece that you can build and admire for its impressive presence, this one stands out. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no positive points could be extracted or quoted. Number 1. TG Block Star Trench 3D Wars Run Wall Art Kit. This micro-building block painting lets you recreate iconic scenes that fans deeply love. Through the precise combination of its pieces, the exciting chase battle in the movie is reproduced, making you feel like you are in the fierce scene of Star Trench. This building block painting is not only highly artistic but also highly ornamental. Each building block is carefully designed and crafted with precision, offering a challenging yet rewarding building experience. Whether used as home decoration or office furnishings, it can add a sense of sophistication to the space. It's suitable for DIY enthusiasts who like crafting. You can build it step by step according to the drawings and enjoy the fun of creation. Or, you can make creative modifications according to your own preferences to create a unique and personalized work. Whether hung on the wall as a decorative painting or placed on the desk as a display, this miniature building block painting can be perfectly integrated into various scenes. It can not only enhance the taste and style of the space but also become the focus of conversation, arousing people's interest and discussion. For film fans, this is undoubtedly a precious collection. It is also a unique gift choice, whether given to friends or family, it can express your intention and taste. It's a perfect memorable collection gift for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. What we like. This offers a unique artistic take on a beloved scene, transforming micro bricks into a framed masterpiece. It's a creative activity that results in a distinctive decorative item. If you appreciate unique wall art and want to recreate an iconic moment in a new medium, this craft kit is a fantastic option. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.